powered by National Link.
Upon receiving your wireless unit, when opening the box, there should be these accessories inside. One wireless unit, one power cable, two antennas, one Ethernet cable. Once you have everything, you want to plug in the power cable on the back of the wireless unit where the green outlet is. Open the Ethernet cable bag and plug the Ethernet cable into the LAN 1 port. Open both antenna bags and screw them into the gold end to the back of the unit. On a Hyosung ATM, open the top of the ATM, exposing the board behind the screen. Unscrew the screw on each side to tilt the screen forward. Note: if you have a Hyosung ATM, this power adapter cable is not included and will need to be purchased separately, or you can use an outlet nearby if possible. Plug the power cable into the power adapter cable, then plug the power adapter cable into the power supply. Look towards the bottom of the board to locate the Ethernet port and plug in the Ethernet cable. Route the antennas to the top of the ATM to make sure they get the best connection possible. On a Gen Mega ATM, open the top of the ATM, exposing the board behind the screen. Plug the power cable into the power supply of the ATM. Look towards the top of the board to locate the Ethernet port. Unplug the Ethernet cord that is already connected to the ATM, then plug in the Ethernet cable from the wireless unit into the Ethernet port. Turn on the ATM and give the wireless unit time to boot up. And make sure all lights on the wireless unit are solid and none are blinking.